Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Activating your Cignal HD box is a simple process that you can do quickly. First, make sure you have all your equipment ready. You need the HD box, the power adapter, an HDMI cable, and your smart card. Start by connecting the satellite cable to the back of the box. Next, plug the HDMI cable into the box and your TV. Now, insert the smart card into the designated slot. Ensure the chip is facing the right way. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to the box. Turn on your television and select the correct HDMI input. You should see a setup screen or a message saying the account is not active. Look for the CCA number or the smart card number on the back of the box or on the card itself. You will need this for the activation step. Visit the official website or use the text message service to register your account. Enter your details and the box ID numbers. Once you submit the request, keep your box turned on. The activation signal will be sent to your device within a few minutes. Do not turn off the box during this time. You will know it is working when the channels begin to load. If the screen stays blank, check your cable connections again. Sometimes a simple restart helps the process finish. Following these steps ensures your satellite service starts without any issues. Your Cignal HD box is now ready for use. You can enjoy all your favorite high-definition shows and movies right away without any further delays.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.